Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a thorough comparison between two titans of the cryptocurrency world, Binance and Coinbase. Join us as we dissect the differences and similarities in Binance versus Coinbase, a comprehensive comparison. Supported cryptocurrencies. Binance boasts a vast selection of cryptocurrencies, offering users access to a wide range of altcoins and tokens beyond the popular ones like Bitcoin and Ethereum. In contrast, Coinbase, while initially focused on mainstream cryptocurrencies, gradually expands its offerings, but tends to prioritize well-established digital assets, providing a more curated selection for users based on market demand, regulatory compliance, and the platform's strategic objectives. Trading fees. Binance is renowned for its competitive trading fees, offering lower rates compared to many other exchanges, particularly for high-volume traders. Conversely, Coinbase tends to have higher fees, especially for smaller transactions and certain payment methods, which may impact users seeking cost-effective trading options and those conducting frequent trades. User interface and experience. Binance provides a user-friendly interface suitable for both beginners and experienced traders, with advanced features available for those seeking more complex trading strategies. Similarly, Coinbase offers an intuitive platform, emphasizing simplicity and ease of use, making it appealing to newcomers in the cryptocurrency space who may prioritize user experience and ease of navigation. Security measures. Binance has faced security breaches in the past, prompting the exchange to enhance its security protocols and introduce additional measures to protect user funds and data. In contrast, Coinbase maintains a strong focus on regulatory compliance and security, leveraging advanced technologies such as cold storage and multi-signature wallets, and implementing industry best practices to safeguard users' assets and personal information. Geographical availability. Binance operates globally, serving users from various countries, although its availability may be subject to regulatory restrictions in certain regions. Similarly, Coinbase is widely accessible in numerous countries, with a strong presence in North America and Europe, complying with local regulations to ensure legal operations within each jurisdiction, ensuring broad accessibility for users seeking a reputable and regulated exchange platform. Educational resources. Binance provides an extensive library of educational materials, including articles, tutorials, and video guides covering topics such as cryptocurrency basics, trading strategies, and blockchain technology. Additionally, the platform offers webinars and online courses for users looking to deepen their knowledge and enhance their trading skills, catering to both novice and experienced traders. Similarly, Coinbase offers educational content through its Coinbase Learn platform, featuring articles, videos, and quizzes covering fundamental cryptocurrency concepts, market analysis, and investment strategies. The platform's dedication to education and user empowerment may contribute to a more informed and confident user base, driving engagement and adoption of cryptocurrency trading and investment. Customer support. Binance provides customer support through a ticketing system and an extensive knowledge base, but users may experience delays in response times during peak periods. In contrast, Coinbase offers customer support via email and phone, with a reputation for responsiveness and reliability in addressing user inquiries and issues, ensuring users have access to timely assistance and support when needed. Additional features. Binance offers a range of additional features, including staking, futures trading, and a native cryptocurrency (BNB) with various utility functions on the platform, catering to users seeking advanced trading options and additional opportunities for investment and earning potential. Conversely, Coinbase provides services beyond trading, such as Coinbase Earn for earning cryptocurrencies by completing educational tasks, appealing to users interested in expanding their crypto holdings through alternative methods and educational initiatives.